Hello YouTube and welcome to DeMarco Reacts to Crypto. So just a quick video, just a little update on Nucypher. As you know, on my last TA, technical analysis, it's not financial advice by the way. It's just what I see in the charts, and obviously hopefully it works out that way. So as you see in the other video, I did think there was going to be a rocket around the 23rd onwards. But now I look at the charts, I think it still will be a rocket, but not in the same way you're thinking, obviously, what we think a rocket usually looks like. So I think the downward trend that we're getting at the moment, I think what's going to happen, we're going to see that till around 36p. That's in the Great British money, English British money, whatever you want to call it, because I know majority of people might be in America and Australia and Canada and so on. So I think if we go to as low as 36p, or around 39 to 36p, I think from that point, if it's there around the 23rd of March, I think that's the lowest we're going to go maximum. I don't think we can go lower than that. I think that's the bottom price is 36p. But then it's going to be like a massive, it's going to be like a cup and handle. I think that's how we're going to go again, but it's going to be quite a large cup and handle. So we could see the downward trend till around 36p, and then we could see it going back up. But the downward trend, or I think it's going to keep around this time. The price that it is now, I think it's going to keep going up and down around 4p a time. It's going up like 4p and then dropping down 4p, going up 4p and dropping down 4p. So I think what's going to happen, it's going to be on like a long trend now till around the first week, maybe the second week of April, from obviously the 20th, which is in a few days. So for the next 7, 14, 21, maybe 3 weeks, we might see just a constant leveling of Nucypher, and it's going to go pretty straight, but we won't go as low as 36p. But if we do go to 36p, that means my TA is on the way I'm speaking and the way I'm saying it and the way I'm thinking about this graph. If it does go to 36p in the next few days or so, within the next week, my TA should work out right. I'm hoping so. So then we can start seeing the upward trend. As soon as that 36p hits, if it does, then obviously we can start going back up. But if it doesn't go to that 36p mark, then it could be 39p. That was the lowest. But I think 36p is the lowest. Looking at the last peak, obviously that was back in that was back a few months ago, which was which was about December the 6th was the start of the downward trend from the peak. So I'm hoping the next few weeks, we might be in a shit coin, and it might seem like a shit coin, but you know what? You've just got to hold on to your balls and keep at it and don't start stressing out. And we're just going to see, I think if it goes to 36p, we're going to see that upward trend from then. Next few weeks, just don't stress, do something else, take your mind off it, stop looking at your phone, stop refreshing the screen, and just wait. Do you know what I mean? Because obviously when you refresh the screen, get emotional, you start making decisions that you don't really want to be making. You might sell a lot of coins or do something that you don't really want to do, but obviously you're forcing yourself because you're getting emotional over your money. Don't get emotional over the money. Just think as if it's not there, and then we'll see how we go from there. Stick with the channel. Make sure you like. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. The like basically busts out the algorithm for YouTube and tells a lot more people about this information that I'm giving now. Hopefully it works out this way. But yeah, like, subscribe, share around all your platforms and do what you want to do. Boom. See you later.